team Abhigyan. இது foremost, as a country, we need to kindle entrepreneurship and innovation. Unless we do that, we will be going behind employers for employment rather than creating more new employment. So my biggest ambition for IIT Madras is that all our kids either join the companies incubated by us or they incubate a company. Okay, that's what I'm pushing on, right? So if that state comes to an institution of national repute, like we have been the #1 institution for quite some time now, if that type of a thing is, that will be an ideal, and that is important for a country to become superpower, right? Technologically superpower. And in 25 years we have in front of us, 2047 we should be world #1 in technology. And this is right way, and that is where this open house is very, very important. We give a lot of effort for this. We are trying to get more and more children. Around 800 children are there in this. We would like to double it, triple it. 1,200. Now it is 1,200. And we will double it, triple it over a period of time.
You are in the front of a new innovation today. Sir, what do you think about it? How useful it will for the people?
See, first and foremost, the kids have, all these kids, young kids, they have all understood what it means. Call you kid, right? Okay. So they have understood what it means to build a system. Right? So it is not like today I say I am a computer scientist. No, it's meaningless today. I am an engineer. I need to understand the entire gamut of this. So if you just look at this, if you look at the software, it is controlling mechanical, it is having electronics, it is having computer science, it has many things. At least 4 or 5 disciplines. If you just take a quick survey, you will find very diverse set of people who have actually designed this system. So this innovation essentially will speak quite high, because all these youngsters today who are going to define India in 2047 are now open. They have an idea about what it means to build a system, what it means to collaborate, what it means to get ideas and how to nurture and bring these ideas together and then make it as an interesting product. And that is very, very important. It's becoming a reality. At some point of time, we started as a hobby project, but now it's becoming a reality. We have done quite a significant amount of work. It is there in our Discovery Campus. One day we'll also take media to the Discovery Campus and see what's happening there. Today we have worked on very good materials there. They are actually manufacturing, and that's a very lightweight material, but at the same time very sturdy enough. From the regulations point of view, since already there is a drone regulation and then there are of course air safety regulations, I think formulating a regulation for an air taxi is much more easier than formulating a regulation for the autonomous vehicles on road.
So we are Team Abhiyan. We are a group of 35 students who are devoted to building autonomous ground navigation systems. So this project of ours is called BOLT. It's an institute shuttle that can do point A to point B completely autonomously. So the goal behind building a project like this is to reduce the number of accidents that happen on road. So currently around 96% of accidents that occur are due to driver errors. So we're trying to eliminate those. Alongside that, we want to deploy a fleet of such vehicles with 5G technology so that these vehicles can correspond with each other and help people move from a certain location to another. So as I mentioned, we're planning on deploying a fleet of such vehicles so that we can reduce the number of accidents that happen on road. And once we grow to scale and we have a proof of concept within our institute, we plan on one day launching such vehicles for commercial use in controlled environments such as airport shuttles or resorts. So the thing is, these companies exist in the US, and when it comes to India, we are not, we've not yet found we don't have such companies building autonomous vehicles. So we are one of the first institutes to launch such a program to, drive to promote the autonomous culture in India.
What's new about our project is it's India's first institute-based autonomous shuttle. Like there are autonomous cars, but they are commercial. But this is the first project that is institute-based. Like we are going to provide autonomous runs inside the institute, from the main gate to various departments to Gajendra Circle. And we are planning on increasing the number of vehicles in our institute also. And we are planning on a 2-kilometer autonomous run next month.